Good evening, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank the great leaders like Nafis ma'am and Ashwini ma'am. Nafis ma'am introduced me to Healy, and I'm in contact with Ashwini ma'am also. So, first of all, I would like to thank Healy for uh, uh, I'm to be the part of Healy team. First of all, I will thank to be part of Healy team. Then, the thing is, I would like to share about my son, Pranav. He's a child with cerebral palsy and seizure disorder. Um, Hello, are you? Am I audible?
Perfect. Go ahead, dear.
Okay. He's having cerebral palsy and seizure disorder. Now, after I took Healy in the month of October, and I ran programs like All Healy Analysis and Gold program and Courage and Batch Flower for him. So after 1 week, I could see like improvements, like the seizure getting reducing, and then his face, like it was like pale, but after running that program, it was like his face started glowing, and I could change a lot of energy in him. He started vocalizing slowly, and after like 3 months, now it's the third month running. Now he is like his seizure has reduced a lot, and he's now vocalizing a lot. And now he's slowly when he was in on my like last few days, he was on my lap, like in the prone position. Then he started kicking slowly, and he started initiating and getting down from the bed. So he's having a challenge also. So he doesn't walk, he doesn't sit. So he's trying now, after using Healy, he's trying now to kick and get down from the bed. And now for him, I'm running programs on MAG nerve harmony, then brain harmony, and for joint and bone, joint and bone harmony. After that, I'm seeing a lot of changes in him. Like he is vocalizing, and he's a child with he's a quick learner, and he has got good IQ. So he is like whenever I give him something, whenever I tell him about any story or something, he nods his head to left and right. Whether if it is right, he says yes, and he nods towards left, and if it is wrong, he nods towards right side. So that is his way of communication, and he's having a good IQ. But his physical, because of his physical delay, last year I went for an admission in normal school. So they told like because the child is disabled and he's having physical constraint, we are not ready to take him. But this new year is I can say is a happy year for me, because this few days back and went to the same school, that is Bhavan's Vidya Mandir. There they took him, and now he's going to join in UKG, UKG section. So that is a big win for me. After using Maggie and Healy, there's a drastic change in him. People like therapist, then teacher. Right now, going to Montessori school, their teachers are all saying that he has got lot of improvement.
Okay,
Even the special educator, I'm using Mag Healy programs on him, joint bone program. So I can see like he's moving his legs, muscle harmony. So he's trying and moving his legs. Even neck control has improved. It was partial before, now it has improved. And so even Healy programs also, Courage. After running Courage, I could see like in the school, he used to, like when teacher ask other kids like where is red color, where is blue color. So he will use his way of communication like voice, and he'll call the teacher, so like that he's showing that confidence in the school as well. So that is a great win for me. So I'm so happy that I'm using it Healy very divinely.
Some
Yes.
video to as well, right? We have Kochinde video on the law.
Yes, yes.
So we will share that, Preeti. And Onnu, explain Chedamadi in Englishly. What are you trying to do with the child? Because there you are speaking Malayalam. So just explain what are you doing with the child, okay? So Ashwini, can you share the video of the child where
Yes.
before using Healy and after
Okay, ma'am.
using Healy, what is the change?
Okay. Yeah.
So guys, using Healy, you will see how the child has started concentrating, how the child has started responding, which was not happening before.
So I'm so blessed to have that in my life.
Super.
Totally. What is our goal? Pranav?
Do video is visible
Here,
now?
what is
Yes,
our
yes.
goal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is
Make sounds and try to speak. Learn. Very good, Pranav. Very good. Good boy, ta? ഉറക്ക പറയണം മോളു അവന് എന്തെങ്കിലും കറി ഉണ്ടാക്കണട്ടെന്നാ ഉറക്ക ലൗഡ്ലി വെരി ഗുഡ് ഒപ്പം പാടൂ പ്രണവ് ചാൻസ് പാടൂ
Oh, he sings song also.
പാടിക്കോ ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ റെഡി 1 2 3
So this is the kids
Super.
video.